Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Clickworker is a crowdsourcing platform that connects businesses and individuals who need various tasks completed with a distributed workforce of online workers. The platform allows companies to outsource tasks that require human intelligence but can be done online, such as data entry, content creation, image and video tagging, research, and more. Clickworker's workforce, often referred to as Clickworkers, consists of individuals from around the world who register on the platform to complete these micro-tasks to make money on Clickworker. You can follow these steps. 1. Register. Visit the Clickworker website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic information and complete a brief profile. It's important to be honest and accurate when filling out your profile to ensure you receive tasks that match your skills. 2. Qualify. Clickworker may require you to complete some assessments or qualification tests to determine your abilities and the types of tasks you're eligible for. This step is essential for matching you with appropriate tasks at 3. Browse and accept tasks. Once you're registered and qualified, you can log into your Clickworker account and browse the available tasks in the job list. Each task will have a description, requirements, and payment details. You can select the tasks you're interested in and qualified for, and then accept them. 4. Complete tasks. Follow the provided instructions to complete the tasks accurately and within the specified time frame. The tasks may include data entry, content creation, image tagging, and more. Pay attention to guidelines and quality standards, as accuracy is often essential to earning money on the platform. 5. Submit tasks. After completing a task, submit it through the Clickworker platform. It will be reviewed by Clickworker's quality control team to ensure it meets the required standards. Make sure to follow instructions carefully and check your work for errors before submission. 6. Get paid. Once your submitted tasks are approved, you'll receive payment for your work. Payments can vary depending on the complexity and type of task. Some tasks pay a fixed fee, while others offer variable payments based on the number of items completed. 7. Request payout. Accumulate earnings in your Clickworker account and request a payout once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold. Payment methods may include PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your location. 8. Consistency and patience. Making money on Clickworker may require some time and consistency. The availability of tasks can vary, so it's important to regularly check for new opportunities and complete tasks as they become available.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.